Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Starley Family TV. And please guys, what I have here today, what I want to introduce to you, I want to cook ogbono soup but mixed with okra. So I'm about to introduce my ingredients to you. Before I will start, please guys, I really appreciate you so much, all my loved ones, all my family, my friends. I love you guys so much. All my returning subscribers. Now be my family. Kiss for you guys. Thank you so much for being here for me. Thank you for your support, for everything. I really appreciate. Please, anyone that will come across my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get it right on your phone. And please share. Please. Subscribing is free. Show me love. Please, okay? We have to be supportive to each other. Thank you as you do so, and may God bless you. My returning subscriber will now do well. If not, will now be me. Thank you all so much. So let us start the cooking. I have my okra, ogbono, beef, cow leg, and ishaki. Fish, vegetable leaf, that's spinach, crayfish, pepper, red oil, maggi, salt. So these are the things that we have for today's recipe. And we are today's ogbono soup now organic. Like this is really organic ogbono soup. So join me guys as you will see the way I will prepare the soup and you will like it. Join me as we get started. I have put the meat in the pot behind the camera. As you can see. You see it, guys. 2 Maggi cube. Chicken Maggi. One spoon of salt. Because I am going to put water. So, 1 spoon of crayfish. So I added 1 spoon of crayfish. The reason why, because when I am done cooking it, when I put the okra and the ogbono, I will add more crayfish. So water. Because now ogbono soup, so I need the water. So now we are going to cover it up. Then I've on my gas. So you see the way I cut the okra, because I don't want the okra to melt. You see guys, I'm about to add pepper. 1.5 spoon. So I'll come put the red oil, then I will take out to microwave to defrost. You see, I say it block, so I'll take it to the microwave. Then the soup, I'll add oil to the meat. Sorry. As you can see, the meat is ready. So I will have to remove the meat. This one are the meat. And I have another fry pan here, another pot to fry okra before I'll mix it with the ogbono with a little bit of onions. This is the chicken, the beef stock, the meat. Okay. Red onion, just a little bit. I don't need too much. So now, crayfish and okra and the onions. I mean, so we'll first of all start with this one. And they like to use on stick with small better. See how the onions look like. So it's very nice. It gives good flavor to the ogbono soup. Now I'll put the okra. You see the okra now? With the onions together. Try it, guys. It's very nice. You get nice flavor from it. So I'm about to lower the gas. Just this. You have to be turning the okra so it will not get burnt. You see, the okra is changing. So we'll take it out now. It's ready. This is the ogbono. This is the reason why I don't put the meat, so that the ogbono will get space for spread, you know. We have a lot of space to spread itself. This one is ogbono soup, organic ogbono. Oh la la. Now organic ogbono be this. So, water, not that much. I'm not going to be using all. You see how the ogbono soup they go. Now we want to introduce the okra that we have fried. That's why I call it organic okra and ogbono. So I just mix it together like behind the camera. So another water. And I want to take the meat inside. What I will do, I think I will just put the meat. The fish. Why they put the crayfish like this? So the taste will really go inside, you know. Little bit of vegetable. You see, I will still have a little bit of water anyway. The soup is almost ready. Almost. This one. Ogbono soup is too sweet. Oh. Now this one we call organic ogbono soup. This is really, you see, huh? Now organic soup is this. Oh. As you can see, our food is ready. You see, huh? It's ready. So we have to make our pounded yam or eba or puree.